The last 25 years of mobility have really transformed the society, improving connectivity and access. The transformational journey would not have been possible without a supportive ecosystem and policies. Sri Ravi Shankar Prasad, Honorable Minister of Communications, Electronics and Information Technology, and Law and Justice, with his astute leadership and vision, has been driving the digital transformation of the nation. We are honored to have received a message from him on the occasion of completion of 25 years of mobile communications in India. I will now read out the message. I am delighted to share that the Department of Telecommunications, in association with Cellular Operators Association of India, is commemorating this Silver Jubilee webinar themed 25 years of mobility Desh Ki Digital Udan, which marks the completion of 25 years of mobility in India. In the last 25 years, the telecom sector has witnessed tremendous transformation in connecting a billion citizens by 2G, 3G, 4G and fiber, ushering in several disruptive technological developments such as innovative mobile apps, mobile payments, connected devices and wearables, IoT and M-governance. Today, India is the second largest telecom market in the world, and it has surpassed US and China to become the largest data consuming economy, and that too at the lowest tariffs. This transformation is moving India towards becoming a knowledgeable society riding on the digital communications in true sense. Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi has given a clarion call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. But this does not mean India in isolation, but India as a robust contributor in the global supply chains. Honorable Prime Minister has also set a goal of making India a $5 trillion economy. Telecom sector has to play a major role in achieving that goal. Government and the industry needs to work together to achieve these goals. I wish all the success to the organizers of Desh Ki Digital Udan, this event and following webinars.